Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Export Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about the discount entries in purchase voucher. And before entering into topic, a request to you, everyone visiting my channel and watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. You will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel. And also you share the channel with all others. Okay, another important thing is, please watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, you will know the topic or subject up to that point only. It will be like half knowledge. The balance you cannot understand, so it will be like half knowledge. It is nothing but waste of time. There is no use. So please watch the video, every video till the end, and watch the video more than once also to get good knowledge. And you work out or practice the problem or illustration or example, anything given in that video, you practice more number of times, so that you watch the video many times and work out the examples also many times. Then you will get expert knowledge. And after watching the video till the end, if the video is good, please like the video. If you like the video, YouTube people will share that video to many people, so that many people can watch this video, every video, and they can learn the topic. And now we enter into the topic, our topic. So I'm sharing the screen. See here, already we have a company created. So this is a company. I know how to create the company. So just you will check up, go to the altar. So this is all. This is in Andhra Pradesh. We selected. Okay. So this is done. And in the F11 features, F11 features. So all these are selected. Bill-wise entries, accounts, inventory, everything. And then this the tax GST details. So Andhra Pradesh is automatically taken. Regular, user number and everything. Place of supply for inward, everything Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Yeah. And accept this. This is the, we have made the engagements, and already we have made the entries for discount. We made the discount entries in sales invoices. In sales invoices. Now, when we are selling the goods, if we are giving the discount, we are entering in the sales invoice. So if we are buying the goods and our seller in his invoice, in his sales invoice, if we give some discount, so that will be entered by us also. That means seller will give the discount. If he gives, he will enter in the sales invoice. Then same immediately for the same discount, the buyer will get the discount for the transaction. So the buyer, when he is getting, he is entering in the purchase voucher, not purchase invoice. It is purchase voucher. So the same discount he will enter in the purchase voucher. So entering in the sales invoice, entering in the purchase voucher, both will be the same. Both will work the same. Only the names will change. Debtor will become creditor. Discount allowed will become received because it is income. Discount allowed will become discount received. Discount on total sales will become discount on total purchases. Discount all like that. That will say, and GST, HST is okay. Okay, like this we have to take, and method will be the same. So now we will take up an example. So this is second, we sold the goods, but in what actually, unless you purchase the goods, you will not sell. That is why 1st May we will take up now purchase entries. Okay, so we'll go to the purchase entries. So go to the voucher. That is, we are taking on 1st May, taking purchase voucher. So purchases, there will be definitely supplier invoice number. I am giving number, and you will take up only one seller. That is the supplier, Acer India Limited. So this Acer India Limited is also from Andhra Pradesh. That entries GST will be in the same state. So our company and the supplier both on the same state. That's why the tax GST will be CGST and HGST. So this is created. So sorry. See. So Acer India Limited, Sunday creditor, Thai Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh number and this is regular and GST number taken. Okay. For purchasing, we can purchase from regular dealer only. For selling, we can tell to anyone, sell to anyone. So this is the receipt details and this is party details. Then we are purchasing goods, take purchases, take purchases. And now one thing I will tell you. Okay. So here we are purchasing goods. For example, so the minus values we will take up them because they are sufficient. We cannot sell without purchasing. So first of all, we will take up this Godrej washing machine 100 liters, 150 liters. That we will take up. For example, we purchased two each 40,000. For example, 40,000 total amount will be 80,000. And one more thing we will purchase. So for example, what you call that as Dell mouses. Dell mouses were purchased. No, otherwise you will take up this HP keyboards. HP keyboards, you remember. We are purchasing 5 or 10 numbers. We are purchasing. Each one is 500 rupees, 5,000 rupees. Now we purchase. And if you calculate the tax, so TCS and GST will be calculated on the total amount of the sale. So in this, if the seller gives any discount, we have to enter the discount and the net amount of the value, but taxable value, net amount of the discount will be the amount on which the GST is calculated. That is why for giving the discount, he will give show method, and for this entering the discount in this voucher, there are three methods. The first method is providing discount column in the voucher. Then the invoice, seller is called as in the sales invoice, but here it is not actual invoice. It will be in the shape of invoice, but it is only voucher. Purchase voucher. We can see this purchase voucher in the shape of, in the form of an invoice also, but it is not invoice. Only invoice will be sales invoice. Purchase will be only voucher. So in the purchase voucher itself, we can provide a, just like the sales, we can provide a discount column. The discount column will be between the rate and the amount. So here, how you will give, go to F11. So in the inventory features, this is accounting feature, inventory feature, taxation fee. In the inventory feature, come to the down, last but one. See, use discount column in invoices, make it yes, accept. So then automatic, then sorry, we'll check up purchase. So it's not there, it is not accepted. So we will take up on 1st May, 1st May, 1st May, we are purchasing goods. So 258 number, Acer computers, accept, purchase, and then this one will take up two numbers and 40,000 each, and we are buying another one. See, another one, HP keyboards, 10 items we are purchasing, each 500 rupees. Okay, now in this case, see, in F11, we enable the discount column. Yes, so, sorry, here, discount column is there. So in this column, we can give the discount. So if he gives discount in the discount column, we have to enter the whatever he did, we have to make the same entry. So here only we have to give, if he gives 5% there, we'll give 5%. Automatically, it will calculate the discount and reduce the discount, show the net amount, but the amount of discount will not be shown. And also we cannot enter the amount also. We can give only discount rate of discount. It will calculate, it will not show the discount, it will deduct the discount, show the amount. That is what is done in the sales invoice. We have to do the same. And the second one, if there is discount, we can give discount. If there is no discount, we won't give any discount. If you give discount, that will be deducted. Sorry. It is 500 rupees. So if it is 500 into 10, 500 into 10, it will be 5,000 rupees. If you give 2% discount, so it will be 4,900 rupees, 100 rupees discount. If there is discount, it will deduct. If there is no discount, we won't give any discount. That's all. So discount entries are made. And here it is. We are just discount is already deducted from the stock item. So directly we can calculate the discount CGST, GST. So this is already deducted. So on 76,000, it is 28%. So this is rate is 28%. So 14 plus 4, that is 14% and 14% CGST, GST. So net amount is 76,000. On the net amount only you have to calculate. Into 14% will be 10,640 on this one. The second one, there is no discount. 5,000. Remember this 10,640. So 5,000 into the rate of keyboard is 12%. So it will be only 2%. 12% means 6%. CGST and HGST into 6%. It will be 3,000. 3,000 minus 5,000. Discount is 3,300 minus no discount, sorry, 5,000. In the 5,000 there is no discount, into 6% is the GST. 300, 10,640, total will be 10,940. 10,640 for this and 300 for this, that is the GST. So CGST 10,940. So HGST also 10,940. So like this we did. The same thing is shown in the, if shown in the sales invoice, we have to do the same thing. Okay, the same thing. See, in this invoice, I will take up another one. 652 from the sale person. We purchased refrigerators, two numbers. Two numbers, it will be 40,000 only. 40,000 purchased, and along with that, we purchased another one. Sony TV. We purchased two items. Each one is 30,000. So it is 60,000. So we purchased. So in this case, we are not giving any discount rate. I mean, we are not using the discount column. That is, if you give that, the seller will do the same, we will also do it. That rate will be given, it will be calculated automatically and deducted from the taxable value, and net value will be sure. We don't know the discount, we have to calculate what is the total value, what is the net value, the difference is the discount. We have to calculate the discount and we have to see. That's it. Is here, instead of that, without giving discount in the discount column. So if you are giving only rate, we cannot give a amount also. We cannot give amount, we can give rate, and we don't know the rate, I mean discount also. So to see the amount of discount by giving the rate, calculating the discount, as well as without giving rate, directly giving the amount, both we can do in another option. In such case, we won't use this option. The seller will do that, we will also do that. In this case, just leave it. Even though if you activated this discount, you can deactivate F11. You can deactivate. That means you can disable this. You make it no, it will be disabled and it will not appear here. But let it be there. If there is discount, you will go, otherwise not. And second one is, instead of giving the discount here only percent, so this is for each item. That is why item wise we can give the rate. It will show the calculation also. Without giving the rate, we can give the amount also. Whatever is given by the seller, the same thing. The second option, in that case, you have to go to F12. This is F11. In F11, discount column, use discount column. Now it is here, F12, provide cash or trade discount. Make it yes. Make it yes. Then below every item, the discount will appear. And here you are giving rate and the amount is not shown. But you can give rate here, 5%, it will show the amount. Without giving the rate, direct you can give amount of 4,000 or 5,000. We can give the amount also, whatever it may be. If you give the rate, it will calculate. Otherwise, we can give the amount also. If there is no discount, we need not give any discount. If you give the second one, in the second one, come down. In the second one, if you give 2%, it will show the discount 1,200. If you don't give this, directly give some 500. Sorry, without this rate, just you can give 500. Sorry, not 500. We can give 500 rupees discount. We can give 500 rupees. This is 30,060. Okay, we can give 500 rupees, or we can give 1,000 rupees without discount rate. Or otherwise, we need not give any. If there is no discount, we won't give any discount. So here, just I am giving 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees discount. Without percentage, I am giving 1,000 rupees. Okay. Now how to calculate this amount? If you give the percentage, it will calculate and automatically it will be deduct from that amount. So from the respective amount, total amount, it will deduct and it will show the net amount. But here, total amount is shown, net amount is not shown, discount is shown here. So after the total amount you have to deduct from the amount. Okay, so here we have to deduct. So this amount, what to do? We have to create a discount column, and in the discount column, see how you create. See here, go to discount column here. I created already. It is called as discount received. He will say seller discount allowed. Buyer will get income. So discount received. Discount received. How it is calculated? So the indirect income. And here what you have to do is this total amount should be taken to the total column to reduce from the total amount. You should take automatically. Otherwise, what we have to do, we have to calculate total 4 plus 1, 5,000. We have to enter the amount minus 5,000. If there are many amounts, so totaling everything will be take time. The only two ends we calculate. If there are a lot of items, in such a case, you cannot take the total correctly, make a mistake, or it will take time. That is why the total, whatever we have 100 items, all the total amount will come here as discount. For that purpose, this is automatically to come here. That is why here indirect incomes and here type of ledger, just like invoice rounding. If you take this invoice rounding, automatically if you create that rounding method, that in this round off, automatically if you take the round off ledger, make it as invoice rounding, directly the rounding off is done automatically. Similarly, if you select discount, then automatically the total will be taken here, because this is discount to be reduced. Automatically it will take 5,000. If you take the total, it will take time. We may commit a mistake, as well as when entering the amount correctly, then we forget to give minus. So minus 500,000, it is to be reduced. If you give 5,000, it will add up. That is why if you take this and make it automatically, just like invoice rounding, it will round out automatically without any error. Similarly, without any error, the total amount will be taken. So discount received, and it will take automatically. Total amount is 5,000 minus 5,000. Now, after this, we have to take the tax, CGST, SGST. How it is calculating? See here. This 4,000 is deducted from this. This 4,000 is deducted from this, and tax is calculated. See here. And you see, I will show you now. See here. 80,000 minus 4,000 will be the 76,000 into, that is 14% CGST, that is 28%, 14%. It will be, 76,000 minus 76,000 into 14%, 10,640. Remember that, 10,640. This is 60,000 minus 1,000, means it will be 59,000 into the rate of Sony TV is 18%. So CGST will be into 9%. Into 9%, 5,310. The first one is 10,640. Total will be 15,950. 15,950. It is calculated automatically. We can take. So how you did? We have taken each amount, reduced. Each amount is reduced. We can do in another way. So this 5,000 rupees is the discount on the total amount of 1,40,000. 1,40,000 it is then. In such a case, into 80,000, into 80,000, what is the discount for 80,000? Minus 80,000, it will be, it is showing something wrong amount, because the rate is different for this, there is no discount. This discount is not applicable to this, because there is no discount here for this, or there's only 1,000 for this. This is 4,000, but for percentage is given for this. There is no percentage for this. That is why we can take this in another way. How it will calculate? See here, Alt A. You see, Alt A, tax analysis, and Alt F1, this one. You see, so it is calculating 5,000 into 4,000. It is taking 4,000. It is 1,000. It is taking 1,000. There is no discount. It will not take any discount here. Here, it is taking 1,000 from this. It is taking off 4,000 from this. That is why reducing 4,000, showing net amount, reducing 1,000, because but discount is showing. Previously, is not showing discount, is not showing. Net amount was shown here and there. But now, the total amount this after discount, total amount after discount is showing and calculating the tax 14%, 14%, 19%. This is the second method. Okay. Okay. So you need not to see, just we are checking up how it is calculating. That's all. It will calculate correctly without any error. Okay. We need a checkup, but I am showing you how it will calculate. This is the second method. Third method is, third method again, we will take up on the same day. 1025 is the number from the same Acer India Limited, accept purchases. Now we are purchasing, see here, zero numbers are there because we sold without goods, we sold without the stock item, we sold. Now we purchased, it is zero now. So now we will take up this again. Again, we purchased two numbers, 40,000, 80,000. And here we are not giving discount as percentage in the column. We are not giving. We are not giving discount in the item wise discount. We are not giving in both the places. That means both are discount rates only. We are giving rate, it is calculating automatically. We are giving rate, it is showing the amount also. Both are giving, both are called as trade or cash discount, trade discount. They are giving, we are giving the percentage. Here we can give percentage or only amount we can give. Here we can give only percentage. But the third method is we will not give the rate in the discount column. We will not give the rate or amount in the discount under the each stock item. Then we will take up the second one. In the second one, we will take up second one. I am taking up. See here. A Godrej. This we will take up this one. Okay. We will take up Sony TV for this also. Sony TV also. We purchased two items, 30,000, 60,000. Okay. We purchased. We are not giving anything. So in this case, what we do, we are not giving the percent in the discount column. We are not giving the percent or amount in the discount under every item. This is also for item, each item. This is also for each item. Now what we do is we give the discount at a fixed percentage for all the items. For this, in the previous method, for this 5% is given. For this, only 1,000 is given without percentage. But here, for all the items, at a fixed rate of percentage, we will give, or at a particular amount we will give for all the total amount. That is on the total sales. On the total sales, without giving individually giving the discount for each stock item. On the total sales means all the stock items. On the total sales, we are giving a particular percentage, means for all the items. Or without percentage, we are giving, we will give a particular item. That is for all the items, not for the individual items. So for that purpose, we have to create. See, for making automatic, we created discount allowed. First one, no account. The second one, discount allowed, we created. But now we are giving the discount not for each item on the total purchases. So I created one more. See, discount on total purchase in the sales invoice, discount on total sales. Here it is total purchases. So how we will create here? We will not do anything here. Discount on total purchases, direct incomes, income, indirect income, and this is not automatic. We will not select this. And here, so here previously we have given not taken, not applicable, not applicable. Here this is including accessible value calculation. What is accessible value? What is accessible value means this is the total. This accessible value means taxable value on which tax is calculated. So for calculating the taxable value means, so if the discount is allowed, that will be reduced and the net amount is calculated. That is net amount is the taxable value. So for calculating the taxable value, that is accessible value, include this, here the wording is include in accessible value calculation. For calculating the accessible value, include this discount. Include this discount. Including means if it is plus, it will be added. If it is minus, it will be deduct. That is called adding means if it is minus, it will deduct. So for that, we can give this in two ways. Here we can give this as GST. GST is only calculation. Tax is calculation. And for accessible value means calculation of GST. GST and only goods or goods or services we can take, and automatically this based on value will come. So like this we can do. If you do like this, when you are giving the percentage or when you are giving the percentage or lump sum amount, it will calculate like this is the total discount for the total sales. Then what is the discount for the first item? Similarly, if the total discount is for the total sales or total purchases, what is the amount of discount for the second next sale, next amount? Like that, it will, we did like that. We did that. So like that, it will calculate and it will show the net amount, and on that tax is calculated. That will show that where in the tax, I mean what you call in the tax analysis, it will show the calculation also. If you don't give that, if you don't give, if you take not tax, not applicable, then in this case it will calculate automatically. It will not show the calculations. But here we can give so all the items at the random 5%. Okay, so you are giving 5%, 7,000. So it is adding because why it is discount. You should not forget for the discount you have to give minus 5%. That's what we are doing annually. We commit mistake. That's why remember give minus 5% means minus 7,000. So the 7,000 is for all the items. For this also in the 7,000 includes the discount for this and the, at a uniform rate. That is at the rate of 5%. So here you can take 80,000 minus 5%, 76,000 into 14% will be 10,640. So 60,000 in this also minus 5%, 3,057,000 into Sony TV into 9%. It will be 5,130, 10,640. Total amount should be 15,770 for each item. That is for each tax, CGST and HGST. CGST, HGST, 60,600. No, 15,600 have to get 5%. So 1,40,000, sorry, 80,000 minus 5% tax we are giving, minus 5%, 4,000 into this one is 28% means 14%, 10,640. 10,640 for 60,000 minus 5%, it will be 57,000 into Sony TV, the rate is 18%. So we have to take it as 9% CGST, HGST. Into 9%, it will be 5,130 plus 10,640, 15,770. I'll check up. So go to this. So it is not calculating. So it is sometimes it is doing like that. I will show now. Again we will enter. So 1,256 something as a test, and here accept purchases. So we are purchasing this one, two numbers, 40,000, 80,000, and then the second one is we are purchasing Sony. This we are purchasing this also LG TV. This is also two pieces we are purchasing. It is also 40,000. Okay. Then now come down. Then discount on total purchases. We are giving 5%. That is we are giving minus 5%. It is doing. That is why. Okay. Minus 5% minus 8,000 CGST, GST. Now it will calculate automatically. See here, 80,000. Sorry, 80,000 minus 5% is 76,000 is net amount. 76,000 into 14%, 10,640. Again, this is also 80,000. 80,000 minus 5%, 76,000 into 9%. 9% means 6,840 plus first one is 10,640. Now count is, what is this? No. 80,000 into 80,000 minus 5% is 4,000 is the discount. This is also 80,000 into 5%. This is also 4,000 plus 8,000 is the discount. Okay. And 76,000 into 14%. 76,000 into 14% will be 10. Sorry. 76,000 into 14% will be 10,640. That is the 76,000 into 14% will be 10,640. Again 80,000 minus 5%. It will also be 76,000 into the second one is also 14%, 14%, 10,640 plus 10,640, 21,400. It is not taking. It is taking like 1 minute. Alt A, Alt F1. It is not taking the discount. Calculating on the total amount. I will check up again. I will check up 1 minute. So we will take up this in another way. So this discount is calculating in a wrong way. That is, so here we will take up. So here this discount is to be taken into the calculation of the taxable value. That's why we take into account GST. Take into account, use this tax equity, nothing. Include in assessable value calculation. For this, we have to calculate this one and then take this, accept, and then so this is accepted 5%, 5%. Now if we take this like this, so if you calculate this, so 5% on 80,000, this is 80,000 minus 5%, it will be 76,000 net amount into, for this it is 14% CGST. For this also, it is CGST is 14%. So it will be 10,640. For this also, the amount is minus 5%, will be 76,000 into, for this also it is 14%, 10,640 plus 10,640, it will be 21,280. For example, if this is taken as 35,000, if you taken it as 35,000, 70,000. So in this case, first one is 10,640. Second one is 70,000 minus 70,000 minus 5%. Minus 5% is 3,500. 66,500 into 14% will be 9,310 plus old one 10,640. Total amount is 19,950. Like this, it will calculate automatically. Okay. So it is calculating automatically. And if you go to this one, tax analysis, Alt F in this case, it is calculating in a different way. That is, if you give the percentage, it is calculating in a different way. 7,500, that is here, 7,500 rupees something. First one is 7,500 by 1,50,000 into 80,000. The previous one. That discount will be, total discount is 7,500. So that is calculating in a different way also, both the ways. So here we calculating by directly deducting 5%, we calculated. It will also in another, it can be calculated another way. That is total discount 7,500 is for 1,50,000. Then what is the amount of discount for first one? 80,000. So 4,000 is the discount minus 80,000 will be 76,000. So 76,000 into 14% will be 10,640. So next one is 7,500 discount is for 1,50,000. Then what is the discount for 70,000? So 3,500 minus 70,000 means 66,500 into 14% means, into 14% means, sorry, 66,500 into 14% means it will be 9,310. The first one is 10,640. Total amount is 19,950. It will calculate. It is calculating in that way. See, total discount 7,500 is for 1,50,000. Then what is the discount for 80,000? Is 4,000. So minus that, this is the amount, 14%, 14%. Here 7,500 is for 1,50,000. Then what is the discount for 70,000? It is 3,500. So net amount is 66,500 into 14%, 14%. Like that is calculating. This will calculate it either deducting the percentage, fixed percentage for all. From this deduct this percentage, calculate at the particular rate. From this deduct 5%, calculate at that particular rate. Then total discount will be, total net amount will come. Then you will get calculate the rate. GST, the total amount will come. This is one method. Another method is total discount divided by the total total purchases, total discount by total purchases into this amount. So that particular item discount will get. So minus that particular item amount, that particular amount, we will get the net amount, calculate the discount. Similarly, 7,500 rupees divided by 1,50,000 in such a case into 70,000. What is the discount? Minus 70,000, we will get the net value. On that, you calculate the at the particular rate and add both, you will get this one. Both methods are same. So this is the discount on the purchase vouchers. So same as sales vouchers, only the different names, ledger names, debtors, creditors. For example, here, yes, and he is a creditor. We are purchasing, so he is a creditor. In that case, they will be debtors only. So this is about this. With this, I close this topic. So once you go through once or twice, you'll get more knowledge. Okay. So with this, I close this. In the next video, we meet with another good topic.